friends, I'm back kicking on a Monday morning. It's summer, a great opportunity for all of us to set right all imbalances of the body, to get rid of any long-term pain and to adjust the body to our ideal condition. So let's continue with our topic of headache. Like day and night, positive and negative, left and right, male and female. There are two forces in traditional Chinese medicine called yin and yang that make up the entire world. So the head is where all yang meridians meet. Yang meridians consist of those organs that are hollow, that are like container, that help in passage of substances like small intestine, the large intestine, the stomach, the urinary bladder. So any trouble with them will have reflection on the head. So if you have any difficulty in clearing your bowels, passing motion, hard stools or constipation, if you've had food that doesn't suit you, or if you've had too oily food that has triggered an headache, then take a teaspoon of carom seeds, also called ajwain in Hindi, omam in Tamil. Boil it in 200 ml of water, reduce to half and drink it warm. If you're someone who is roaming a lot in the hot sun and you come back home completely exhausted and with a headache, then prepare the sugar salt water or the ORS solution and drink it. If your headache is because of sinusitis, then I mentioned before, I'll show you again. Just walk your fingers around your eyebrows and stroke out underneath the cheekbone. This will help in decongesting, opening up your eyes, clearing nasal passage, improving oxygen flow, and thereby alleviating headache. If you're down with a migraine attack, the first thing you have to do is switch off all the lights. If it isn't possible, then tie a black cloth around your eyes and lie down. This is the self-care manipulation technique that you can do for all headaches. Hold the nape of your neck with both your hands. Interlock your fingers. Bend your head slightly backwards. Squeeze the skin and lift it up. Exactly, this area will rest over here, will push against the curve over here of the head. This is a single manipulation technique that will help you manage two acupuncture points, one for sedation, one for tonification. This technique will help you in settling down any excess mental activity of the head, any excess yang, any excess fire that is causing the headache, and tonifying the energy of the head to make it more healthier. Next point for self-care manipulation lies here on the index finger line where it meets the thumb. This will help in clearing all the fuzziness of the head. You can manipulate it this way, you can manipulate it this way, or you can manipulate it this way, but I personally find this way better because you have support of your fingers down, so there's a more firm pressure that you can put easily. Press this point like this and knead it towards the wrist. You will experience pain. Sometimes the pain will radiate to your entire hand. Be completely confident that it's working very well and it's harmless, because this point actually is a great eliminator of pain and one of the most widely used point in acupuncture. The next point lies on the foot, in lowering down blood pressure and sedating the overall activity of the body. Merely pressing this for a minute in left foot and a minute in right foot is sufficient. It's obvious if you give a lot of pressure to your eyes, a lot of screen time, then it will cause you headache. Do the eye massage that I have shown for sinusitis, which begins with a point called bright eye. This massage helps in increasing circulation around the eyes, relaxing your eye muscles and brightening up your eyes, as the name suggests. In the long run, it's wiser to incorporate 10 minutes of eye exercises every day, which will save you from a lot of future headaches. Seen the self-care tips for headache. If you haven't seen the TCM Anatomy of Headache, please go watch and try to nail down the cause of your headache. Be proactive, because prevention is always better than cure.